I am Fahim Iqbal. I am here to deliver the lecture of fuzzy logic. First of all, we know the logic. What does mean logic? Logic is based on two values, 0 and 1. You already know that. The 0 it means false and t it means 1. True means 1, 0 means false. But this logical operation is based on some symbolic notation. On the basis of symbol, we are represent the logic on the basis of true and false. This logical operation is based on first conjunction, the second one disjunction, the third one negation, the fourth one implication, and the fifth one by conditional. Today we are अंडरस्टैंड, हम लोग ये समझेंगे कंजंक्शन क्या है, डिसजंक्शन क्या है, निगेशन क्या है, इम्प्लीकेशन क्या है, बाय कंडीशनल क्या है. व्हाट डज मीन दिस सिंबॉलिक एंड लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन इन द टॉपिक फजी लॉजिक. कंजंक्शन इट मीन्स represent the symbolic notation of the conjunction in this way. Representation of conjunction, just opposite V is conjunction. Disjunction means V is the symbolic notation of disjunction, and the negation we are representing on the basis of symbol, the symbolic notation of negation. There are the three ways to represent the negation. There are the three ways. One way to represent the negation as a tilde symbol is also called negation. The another symbol, exclamation, is also represent negation. And this symbol is also represent negation. These are the symbol. First symbol, conjunction. Second, symbolic notation of disjunction, and the third one, negation, is represent either tilde, exclamation, or in this way. And the fourth one, implication, is represent arrow. Biconditional is represent in the symbolic notation to and fro in this way, double arrow. Double arrow, vice versa. On the basis of this symbolic notation of the fuzzy logical operation, how this conjunction is applied on logic? What does mean? The conjunction means if you are applying the two preposition. The preposition, the definition of the preposition in the fuzzy logic operation. A statement, first of all, what is preposition? What is preposition? Preposition means a declarative statement which is either true or false, but not both at the mean time. अगर इसको हिंदी में बोला जाए, ऐसा कथन, ऐसा वक्तव्य जो एक बार में सही हो और एक बार सही हो या गलत हो, दोनों एक बार में नहीं हो सकता. यानी ए स्टेटमेंट विच इज आइदर ट्रू और फॉल्स बट नॉट बोथ एट द सेम टाइम. यानी एक ऐसा वक्तव्य जो सही गलत दोनों एक ही समय में नहीं हो सकता, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. उस तरह के स्टेटमेंट को प्रीपोजिशन कहते हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लॉजिक दिस प्रीपोजिशन विल रिप्रेजेंट in the term of P and Q. Suppose we are taking the two preposition. The logic is based on the two value 2 Logic is based on two values, either true or either false, either 0 or either 1. We are representing the term true, and how many preposition we are using on the basis of 2. This preposition we are representing on the power of n, small n. This small n, 2 to the power small n, represent how many preposition we are using for this symbolic notation. कितने प्रीपोजिशन से आप सिंबॉलिक नोटेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाह रहे हैं, दर्शाना चाह रहे हैं. 2 to the power n, and then subtract minus 1. Why subtract minus 1? Because this subtraction part of minus 1, we are the counting value is start with 0. अब बात आती है कि क्यों subtract minus 1 से कर रहे हैं. The general counting value is start with 1, but the logical value is start with 0. So then we are subtract minus 1 to balance the general counting and the logical counting value. Here for example, अगर हम इस n की जगह पे 2 ले लें -1, रिजल्ट आएगा हमको क्या 3. 2 to the power 2 minus 1, the final result is 3. And then how many possibility of this proposition of this two value? One proposition of this value we are representing p, another proposition value we are representing q. One value we are representing capital P is a one declarative statement, and the q is the another declarative statement. And then first of all we are representing this two term as a input. ये जो p और q की जो दो प्रीपोजिशन के लिए जो हम वेरिएबल्स ले रहे हैं, उसके इनपुट्स की पॉसिबिलिटी, संभावना क्या होगा. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ प्रोपोजिशन. हाउ मच टाइम p इज ट्रू एंड हाउ मच टाइम q इज ट्रू. p और q, कितनी बार p गलत होगा और कितनी बार q गलत होगा, या दूसरी भाषा में क्या, इन अनदर वर्ड्स p is true and q is false how many times. At this symbolic notation we are taking the variables. P and q's are variables. We are not assigning a declarative statement. If you are declaring as a variable, the chances, possibility, यहाँ पे possibility, संभावना की बात कर रहे हैं. अगर P एक कथन है, एक स्टेटमेंट है, तो कितनी बार P सही होगा और कितनी बार P गलत होगा, Q कितनी बार सही होगा और Q कितनी बार गलत होगा. जब ये दोनों एक साथ आएंगे टुगेदर, P and Q's are together, how much chances the P is true and Q is false. Now the one chance P is true and Q is true, दोनों सही हो सकता है, दोनों स्टेटमेंट सही हो सकता है. दिस इज द वन चांस, दिस इज द वन पॉसिबिलिटी, P is true and Q is true. The another chance, the another possibility of P and Q, P is true, Q is false. The third one, Q is false, P is false, Q is true. And the last one, both are false. P is false as well as Q is also false. Now to count how many times P is true, 2 times P is true and 2 times P is false. 2 बार P गलत हुआ, 2 बार P सही हुआ. Q भी 2 बार सही है, 2 बार गलत है. टोटल अगर दोनों को मिला के देखें कि कितनी बार P गलत हुआ और Q, दोनों को एक साथ, P और Q दोनों को एक साथ, तो ये बोलेंगे P दोनों एक ही बार दोनों सही है और P और Q दोनों एक ही बार गलत है. इससे ज्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स ऑफ दिस टू वैल्यू P एंड Q इज नेवर पॉसिबल. अगर आप देखें यहाँ पे, क्या इससे अधिक पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है क्या P और Q की, इससे अधिक पॉसिबिलिटी P और Q की नहीं हो सकती है कि P कितनी बार सही और कितनी बार गलत। अगर हम इसको बहुत ही इजी वे में अगर समझना चाहें, हाउ टू राइट डाउन द P इज ट्रू एंड Q इज फॉल्स, दिस representation of P and Q in another way we are representing, we are write down this value in the term of binary. This value is represent 3, this value is represent 2, this value is represent 1 and this value is represent 0. We write down this value of this decimal number 3210 into the term of binary. The value of 3 it means 1 1, the value of 2 it means 1 0, the value of 1 it means 0 1, the value of 0 it means 0 0. The notation, the noting symbol, 1 is represent true, 0 is represent false. Very simple way we are construct the table of these two value P and Q into the form of true and false. Now come to the notation. If you are representing the notation symbol of conjunction, the noting symbol of the conjunction P conjunction Q, it means the logical multiplication of these two preposition. It means T and T. This is also called, this conjunction is also called and. P and P, it means T. Why this logical conjunction is nothing but the mathematical operation of multiplication. यानी मैथ में ये गुना का काम करेगा, मल्टीप्लाई का काम करेगा। T किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? 1 को। 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1, द आउटपुट इज 1. 1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 0, द आउटपुट इज 0. Here we are writing F. 0 into 1, again 0. 0 into 0, again 0. Very simple. This conjunction in this logical operation representing the AND operation. Here the AND operation we are implementing on the statement, and the statement is called preposition. There are the two statements are writing into the form of table. In this table form, the possibility, first of all you write down the possibility, this is the input part, and this result is called output part. If both the statement come with AND conjunction, both are true, we have got the output true. Any one is false, we have got the false output.